Okay, this is where it gets exciting. One day it's just a stick frame on a trailer, the next day, BAM! It's starting to look like a real house. OSB sheathing changes everything and I'll take you through every step of it. If you're new to the channel, I'm building an affordable tiny house on wheels from scratch. My name is Marek and you're watching Self-Powered. I'm gonna start with wall sheathing today. I already checked for plumb in this direction. I need to go a hair to this side. And I need to move this brace from outside to inside so I can sheet on the outside. This is pretty much self-explanatory, but if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I used 50mm ring shank nails with pattern like 10 to 15 centimeters apart. I know there is a 6-12 pattern or whatever. I just used common sense, what felt like this is gonna be strong enough. My original plan was to use a combination of screws and nails, but it would take me ages. So far so good. The back wall is almost done. I won't go any higher with this ladder because it's not safe. This one needs to go a little bit to the right. I can't screw in helping blocks like on the other side, so I just use a couple of pieces of light G. This wall needed to go to the left. I tried some tricks I saw on YouTube, but none of them actually worked. I was probably doing it wrong. I can move it enough, so I'll try to build some kind of lever. I hope my physics teacher sees this. Would make him so proud. I started with the long through walls. First I moved the braces from outside to inside. I think the reason is pretty obvious. Then I noticed the part of the house that overhangs past the trailer in the back was sagging a little. So this is what I came up with. So I'm gonna lift it up, then put some shims in here and let it rest on this stand. That's way better. And I should probably mention this is 15mm all 4 sides tongue and groove OSB. Probably overkill, as I recently learned from Matt Banks Wood that he uses only 7/16 OSB sheathing, which is like 11mm or so, but this is going to be on a road, so I was sacrificing some weight in favor of ultimate strength and rigidity. Anyways, shout out to Matt Panella from Matt Banks Wood. And that's it for today. I managed to almost finish these 3 walls. I love this stage of the build because I can see the results pretty much immediately. And look at this sunset. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. I don't have much to say, I just remembered I did this transition yesterday, so I wanna finish it up. Good thing I still got this lever device, because the wall still needs to go that way a little bit. Perfection. I strongly advise to mark the exact studs location like I did here, so you won't miss your precious nails. The layout is perfect. From this side of the stud to this side, it's exactly 2.5 meters, which is the length of one sheet. It's getting a little bit too high to grab the OSBs from the ground, so I'm gonna build a temporary helping rig from this scrap lumber. Let's put it to a test right away. It was much easier this way, but still a bit sketchy. Being that high on a wobbly ladder, holding the sheet with both hands, definitely not my favorite job. And here, this was really interesting. I was testing the stability of the ladder, meanwhile the wind picked up and almost blew away the sheet. This is gonna sound strange, but when I noticed that the sheet was flying away, my brain already made me feel like the sheet was lost, fallen down, broken, destroyed, you name it. And for a very short moment I felt like it already happened and there's nothing for me to do about it. But subconsciously I reached my arm for the sheet, I barely reached it, I literally stopped it with my favorite finger. It might seem like a very insignificant moment, but it still feels strange when I remember it. Not the physical thing itself, but the feeling, how my brain tricked me. Alright, enough of this bullshit, I promise. Let's finish the sheathing. The speed of the progress was crazy. After every couple of sheets the space felt more enclosed, more different, closer to being a home instead of a construction site. Even though the house looks solid, it's basically a box without a lid. And with a heavy storm on the way, there's really bad news. If rain gets inside, all of this could be destroyed. The race against weather begins in the next episode, so don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss it. Thank you for sticking till the end. My name is Marek and you've been watching Self-Powered. Now, go out and do something. I'll see you next time.